Hello everybody and welcome back to our final lesson of Unit 1, and that is the number one most important rule of algebra. So, what is the number one most important rule of algebra? Well, it is that you can never, ever divide by 0. And this is why. So let's say you had the number 10 and you divide by 10. The answer would be 1, because the number over number goes into it just once. Let's try a smaller denominator. Let's say 10 divided by 5. 5 goes into 10 twice, so the answer is 2. 2. Now, let's say we have an even smaller denominator. Let's say 2. 2 goes into 10 5 times, so our answer is 5. Now let's try one last example. Let's say 10 divided by 1. 10 divided by 1, and that's just 10. Because 1 times 10 is 10. If you hadn't noticed the pattern, the smaller our denominator gets, 10, 5, 2, and 1, the larger our quotient gets, 1, 2, 5, and 10. So the smallest non-negative number that we know would be 0. It's the smallest number. It's essentially nothing. So because we have the smallest number, because we're dividing by the smallest number, we need the largest number as our quotient. Well, do we know the largest number? Is it infinity? Well, we can't use infinity because infinity is just a concept. It's just something meant to represent the largest number because we don't know. But because we know 0 is a number, we need to know what our largest number is. And that's why we can't divide by 0, because we don't know exactly what our largest number is. And that's why whenever we're evaluating an equation or an expression, we have to make sure that we don't end up with 0 as our denominator. Thank you for listening to our final lesson in Unit 1. Look out for Unit 2. Have a good day.